going on, Bird?
He wants your little thing that's hanging. Yeah. He wants to chew it. He goes for my piercing when it's down. He like tries to fight it.
They like a shiny thing.
Mm-hmm.
What's going on, Bird?
Female cockatiel.
What do you eat sometimes?
Like falcons and stuff. They're native to like.
Falcons are like.
No, that's horrible. No, they're from Peru. They're like Peruvian little animals.
But that's like, you know, it's life, dude.
I don't want to mess with them though, but I'll do it.
It's kind of like,
Yeah, I don't
stress and burn. It's gonna start pulling its feathers out.
He was doing that when I was gone. When I was gone for a week, he was pulling his feathers out.
Bird, a girl cockatiel whistling?
Uh-oh.
3D. Uh-oh. Baby sounds now.
They want to leave at like 6:30.
Why did they bite it?
So far,
Huh?
I think he's going just.
He's licking. He opens his mouth and he like. Does that?
He doesn't have hands.
He's licking.
Huh? No.
What's he looking
Jesse
for?
was wanting
This girl bird.
Sensing.
Yeah, he's looking for this girl bird.